We'll guide you through how to use the Reminders app on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a really convenient app as it says it can go and remind you of things. So let's get started with this. Go and find the app. By default, it'll be on the first homepage and you can open it up. You can drag down and search for it if you're struggling to find it. Now make sure you're on the homepage, so you can click the back button in the top left and here we are. What you can do is go and sync reminders with iCloud, and you can then access reminders on different devices, which is useful. I'm not going to in this case. So to get started with creating one, we can click on New Reminder in the bottom left. Go and give it a title. So I could go and type in school, for example. And then what I can do is go and give it a note that I want. We can then press details. Here you can go and set the date. So switch it on and choose the date. What you can then do is go and choose a time, so we can switch that on and go and choose it. Choose if you want it to repeat. So for school, I could have it repeat every weekday, for example. I'm not going to though. And you can also switch on location. So at certain locations will go off, and the priority as well. I'm not going to use those though. You can press the back button in the top left and choose a list and then go and press add. Now you'll go and see we've got it added in scheduled and all. So what we can then do is go and see it here. At 12 o'clock on Wednesday, I'll go and receive a notification regarding this, and it will then be on your phone. And when you've done it, you can come in here and go and tap the dot to the left, essentially ticking it, and it'll then be removed and moved to completed. It's that simple.